Hello friends, this is Ricky Chadda from Astro Healer. Before I go further with this video, I would want to repeat one of my offer that I had published and given in the description that till 31st of January, I from my channel is offering you that if you consult me, in my consultation fees, I have included a gemstone which is according to your horoscope. I shall be offering you free of cost. So only when you take consultation, then the offer comes to you. Fine. This offer is only applicable till the 31st of January. Now let's go further. Tomorrow is 5th of January. Venus is going to, which is going retrograde, combust, coming back in a backward motion, entering its own nakshatra called as Purva Ashada Nakshatra. So from 5th of January right up till 22nd of February, it shall be in this nakshatra. Now, if I have to give a tagline to this particular transit, I would say it talks about a second chance. It talks about a second chance which will lead to a easy victory. This nakshatra also symbolizes and says the unconquered one, the one who cannot be conquered. Venus is a planet of love and values. It is going retrograde. Now, it is going to put extra focus on the translation, what I just mentioned, the unconquered one. I am not going to give you any prediction according to any lagna or moon rashi, but yes, I would definitely ask you to look at your horoscope and see where is the sign Sagittarius, where number 9 is written, and in that particular house, you will see that something is happening. What is happening? Let's talk about it. See, the interpretation of Venus in this particular nakshatra, Purva Ashada, is its own nakshatra. So because it is going retrograde, it will first enter the fourth pada, then the third pada, second pada, and so on. Now Venus in its own nakshatra talks about being in a very neutral sign, the sign which is ruled by Jupiter, but because it is in its own sign, in its own nakshatra, it's very neutral. It has gained a very average position. The nakshatra Purva Ashada is of higher and very specified learning or education. So those who are born also under the nakshatra, so your moon sign is into Sagittarius, and specifically if it is falling into Purva Ashada Nakshatra, this is what is your personality. It is like someone doing a doctorate or doing a post-graduation. So Venus is coming into the nakshatra where we can talk about this. Yes, this nakshatra also shows that a person who loves or he has a love for higher education, knowledge, and so on. He is always craving, he is very thirsty about learning something new every day. Most of the time, this person, so when I say this person, I am talking about this time also, from the 5th of January, from tomorrow to the 22nd of February, what you will see happening around you. Most of the time, the education can be in a financial field because it is ruled by Jupiter, or something which is very creative. This is a uh, this is the taste of Venus. Equally, I also see that you are not only a good learner who gain knowledge, you are also very good at giving knowledge. So you spread knowledge at the same time. So this is the time you will see you people would be spreading knowledge, giving people knowledge. Now, so this is the time for teaching, preaching, guiding, counseling, and so on. Now, it is not very much necessary that you should be knowledgeable academically. You don't need to show your degree. I'm not talking about just to prove your knowledge, you need degree. It is just that the person attains wisdom, knowledge on a very higher level. It's also a nakshatra of being very rational. So, rationalization plays an important role over here. It also shows a person or a time that we are talking about today where you can or you would love to segregate things or put them into different categories as you find it very rational. This time from 5th of January to 22nd of January, what we can expect or you can expect is wealth and creativity, both. Wealth because Jupiter rules the sign, skills and creativity because Venus is the lord of the nakshatra. Some ability you will see in people of reasoning and rationalizing things. This can also create a lot of conflicts in people because see what happens. Basically, Jupiter is a guru of the devtas, god and goddesses. On the other hand, Venus is the god of demons. So there is always a conflict. You will see a lot of conflict between two parties, two thoughts, the right and the wrong, during this time what I'm talking about. Okay. There would be frustration, there would be problems in relationship, again because you are trying to make things very rational. This is this and this is this. This is what is going to be the time period where you will see these changes. So this is all that I wanted to share with you, that Venus getting into this nakshatra of Purva Ashada, you can expect these things happening right up till 22nd of February. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, share it with your friends, your colleagues and your relatives. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, I would request you to click on the notification bell icon. So all the videos that I upload in future, the notification comes right onto your smartphone. Thank you.